So we are here at Alastaro Circuit. We are here to break the track record today.
Where are we?
We are Alastaro.
Bit foggy here.
Yeah, little bit. We're waiting. And we have a new track here. Long track.
Long track. Is it going to be a new track record?
Of course, we do it today.
So we are here at Alastaro Circuit. It's a test day for us. It's the first time at the new long track layout. So the track was 3.5 or 3.7 kilometers before. Now it's 4.2, I think. What we mostly been testing today as well is the active third dampers, so we can change the behavior of the damper here with these, so it's different stiffness with different levels of the modes here, so the driver can switch from the steering wheel on which mode he prefers, and so the stiffness of the dampers will change, and it helps with the aero balance and then braking and acceleration. So we will change the settings of this third element damper. So these will stay the same. These are manual adjustment, but the third damper we can change with the computer. Here at the new Alastaro Circuit, it's the new long track layout. Sami has just gone on track and is doing the warm-up lap. This is the second session now, so expecting already a pretty good time. session. New tires going under. We did 4 seconds faster than the previous track record from last weekend already. It's a Cup Porsche did 150 point something and we did 146 already with old tires. We found few setup tweaks that we could do, so now we are throwing in new tires and let's see what Sami can do. So Sami, how was it?
Fine,
Okay.
I think so.
Only new track record. with
Yeah, only new track.
5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Good.
Very good, very good. Good tracks.